Hello guys, and welcome to another video. In today's episode we are going to review and present a donation to the channel, and this is the CE-TEC DAEWOO MSX1 MPC-80 model from 1985, and this is a kind donation by a guy named Oliver. Oliver, thank you very much, from Hamburg, Germany. Originally, of course, DAEWOO computers, as part of the MSX deal around the globe back then in the mid-80s, were distributed and manufactured in Korea. Now, in Europe, it was CE-TEC GmbH from Hamburg, Germany, the official distributor for Central Europe. The machine data can be found at the bottom part where the label is still intact with the serial number and everything. And today, of course, I'm very happy and pleased with its donation to the channel. I have put game cartridge to check that everything is working fine. Of course, I knew it was working fine since I have put the power on, and I'm super happy also because it came to me in its original box, which is very rare. And again, thank you, Oliver, very much for this. So we can check the box here, original packaging, the features, the pictures, the serial number up there, the labels and the stickers are still in place, which is extremely rare and good. Here we can see the features: 32 kilobytes of ROM, 64 kilobytes of RAM, the odd for us QWERTZ Z keyboard layout for Germany. And if I'm not mistaken, it's not just Germany, it's Austria, Switzerland, and Central Europe in general, because they have swapped Y and Z keys. And here is a picture, the complete setup with a floppy drive, the printer, joysticks, and everything. And here is a picture on the back side of the box. A bit tatty, but that's okay. Made in Korea, of course. And again, thank you very much for any donation. Remember, for every donation there's going to be a review, and the kudos and the credits for the guy who have contributed to this channel. So again, the front side of the box, super happy to have it boxed. And as for this particular model, I knew it was somewhere out there, but I never had the chance to get my hands on it before, so many thanks again. Now let's take a look at the back of the computer, where we can find the expansion bus slot, the Centronics printer port, RF modulator, video like composite, and sound, analog sound output. Should be some design for a switch between the channels here, but it was never manufactured this way. So on the right side, a couple of joystick ports. You can attach mouse, you can attach paddles, controllers, and of course the 8-DIN cassette input-output interface. On the other side, it is just the switch, the on-off switch, and nothing else to see. Right there. And of course, coming back to the keyboard layout, you will see the QWERTZ in its full glory layout. And it's just because the Z and the Y have been swapped. And why is this? Because Z is a letter commonly used in Germany, Austria, Switzerland, and the Y is not used that much. All the keys are feeling great, well, almost. I really like the big cursor keys on the side, the right side. And here, of course, we can see the Y and the Z letters closely. They have been swapped. And of course, all the special characters for the German language have been into place. Now this works. Okay, the question mark works with shift, and the single tap works with S. All the keys are responsive as far as I can tell. I'm writing a bit of code to test the keys here, and it looks like that this computer has seen limited use. It's almost like, feels like brand new. And of course this is my silly basic program running, looping for quite some time. Of course, this module, like every other decent MSX1 module, has been based on the Z80 microprocessor, and in this case the Z80 has been manufactured by Gold Star, which is pretty interesting. It also has 16 kilobytes of video RAM based on the Texas Instruments chip. And although the machine comes with 64 kilobytes of RAM memory, the ROM, which is the whole basic interpreter, like 32K, is loaded into RAM. So this will leave the user with just half of the RAM available for whatever we need to do. That's pretty interesting. And maybe another interesting point is that some of the MSX DAEWOO computers back then were designed for Korean schools, and some of the models, like this one, but kind of different, didn't have joystick connectors and the cartridge slot. So, in other words, the kids couldn't play games with it. And of course, in my case, the cartridge has already been loaded, and I have the luxury of playing some tennis with a computer or whatever. It's a full version, commercial version from Germany. It's the latest donation to the channel, and I really think I'm gonna play some tennis, and I'm gonna wrap it up for today. That was all for this wonderful piece of computing history, the MSX MPC-80 by DAEWOO, classic MSX1 computer from 1984-1985. And I really hope you liked this video, all the pieces of information shared tonight. I'm gonna catch you soon with another presentation, restoration, modification, repair, review, demo, whatever, when it comes to retro computing and gaming. So yeah, I'll be catching you soon. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have something similar to donate, you are always welcome. Notify me via the email, and then we can arrange the delivery. So bye for now. I'll catch you soon.